How to think more flexibly. In our personal life and workplace, flexible thinking keeps us strong. We can change work, move to a new location, lose people who are dear to us, or take serious decisions, such as marriage. In such situations, if we do not want stress to burn us out, we need to accept what is happening, adapt to it, and start improving for new conditions. It does not help resisting, does it? Accept that change is inevitable. One of the best things we can do to increase our flexibility is to accept that change will always take place in our lives. Alongside this, change can provide us with new and interesting experiences and can greatly enhance our living conditions. Accepting incoming change can reduce some fear and concern we may feel once conditions change. This can help us come up with new problem-solving strategies.